Hello guys, so Google is offering a 5-day free AI agents intensive course. So this is starting on November 10th. So the schedule is from Monday, November 10th to Friday, November 14th of 2025. So if you're someone who is interested in learning about AI agents, which is the talk of the town now, you can make use of this 5-day free training from Google. So we'll see all the details regarding this program. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that. You'll get updates about online courses and online events like this. So do make use of it. And if you want to access all the courses and certification programs from top companies and universities like Google, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, then you can just make use of this Coursera Plus subscription, which will give you access to 10,000 plus courses and certification programs in different fields. And after completing it, you'll get certificates from the recognized company or the university. So the course and the certificate that you are going to get is going to be recognized worldwide, and you are going to learn from the experts. So if you are someone who's looking to learn something, try out Coursera Plus. I'll just leave the link in description. So now let's get back to the AI agents intensive course with Google. So this one is a free course. You do not need to pay anything for this, and there are no formal prerequisites for it. Let me show you that. So this course is designed for anyone who is interested in learning about AI agents. There are no formal prerequisites. You don't need to know anything about AI to join this course. But if you have some knowledge in Python programming, basic AI concepts, Google AI Studio, and Kaggle notebooks, it is going to be helpful to get the best out of this particular training program for you. And let me also show you the time commitment that you need to provide for this particular intensive course. So there will be daily assignments. For completing the assignments, it will take you around 1 to 2 hours, and there will be a live stream. Again, it can take around 60 to 90 minutes. So that's what they have given here. So this is the time that you need for this 5-day intensive AI agents course with Google. The best thing about this particular AI agents course is it is created and delivered by Google ML researchers and engineers. So you are going to learn from experts who have enough knowledge about AI agents. They are not just going to give you some theoretical stuff. You are also going to work on some projects, which I'll explain later. So first, let's see what is being covered here. So day one is introduction to agents and agentic architectures. So in day one, you're going to just learn the basics of AI agents and its architectures. So that's what day one is all about. Day two is agent tools and interoperability with MCP. So here you will learn how AI agents are making action by using different tools and APIs. So you'll learn all that stuff in day two. And day three is all about context engineering, sessions, and memory management. So here you learn how you can give a memory for your AI agent so that it remembers and take actions and handles multiple conversations. So that's what day three is all about. Day four is agent quality. So you'll try to make your AI agent more reliable by giving it certain qualities like observability, tracking, and evaluation and metrics. Day 5 is prototype to production. So at the end of day 5, you'll know how to make your prototype into a production ready AI agent system. Plus you have a capstone project as well. So at the end, you'll get a capstone project. So you'll work on it. You'll know how all these things work in real world. So all the instructions will be given to you. So you don't have to worry about anything here. And there will be discussion threads. So you can interact with your fellow learners and Google experts, and you can speak anything related to AI. And in daily live streams, there will be AMAs through which you can connect with the course authors. And if you have any doubt regarding the course, you can ask that and get it cleared. And as I said earlier, there will be daily assignments as well. So this is not just going to be theoretical stuff. You are going to get practical learning about AI agents here in this 5 days AI agents intensive course with Google. So now let me show you how you can register for this particular program. So I have given you a link in description. Just click on it and come to this page and here you can get all the main details from the date to what you learn. Everything is mentioned here in this particular page. You can go through it, and then you will see here join course button. You can just click on it, or you can see here register for the 5-day AA agency intensive course. So click on it and you'll be coming to a page like this, and here click on register at the top, and you will see here two different options. Either you can sign in with Google and complete your registration, or else you can click on continue without signing in and give your email address and do your registration for this 5 days AA agents intensive course with Google. And after you complete the registration, you will get a mail from Google, and it will contain all the details regarding this training program, and from there on you can just follow the instructions given by Google and join the training program and attend it and learn about AA agents. So I hope you'll find this program very helpful. If you need more updates about online courses or workshops and events conducted by top companies, then do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel. I'll just leave the link in description. Do check it out.